Hi there YouTubers, welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you guys how to replace a Kenwood PKT-23 battery. There's several reasons why I bought an extra battery. I was curious of whether it came with a silicone battery holder for the battery also, which it doesn't. But anywho, here is the battery. Got the Kenwood. Just gonna lift up. These contacts. Okay. So I can zoom in here. Well, it only goes one way. It's this way. It might be the other way. Huh. Yep, it's the other way. Had it backwards. Wait, that was the right way. Okay. So that is connected in there. See if she powers on. Alright, well that's the end of the video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.